My parents decided to start the company in 1983. We were lucky enough to help out on summer breaks and learn a little bit about it, but we actually went off and did our own careers, and then somehow during the journey of the growth of TransferFlow, we came back.
Well, TransferFlow is a manufacturer of aftermarket and OEM fuel tank systems. And besides fuel tanks, we also make generator tanks, hydraulic tanks, fuel tap kits, retrofit fill net kits. So pretty much anything related to the fuel system industry, that's what we do. I think TransferFlow is perceived in the industry like a mom and pop weld shop, and we're much more than that.
When you come to TransferFlow, I think in the 72,000 square feet that we have here, you'd be pleasantly surprised to see that we know what we're doing.
What makes TransferFlow an employer of choice is definitely our company culture. We are very family oriented. We're a bunch of people that care for one another deeply. I think visitors and employees alike can feel that when they walk in the doors.
Yeah, I think over the years it's really helped us out as a company, as the camaraderie and teamwork, and from management all the way through the shop.
At a certain point, we decided to change our purpose and decided that we needed to have the company really wrap itself around the employees that are so important, our most important asset to the company. And we changed that mission to talk about how we can support the community, the country, and our customers with a premier American-made fuel tank system. And we wholeheartedly believe in that mission.
We're successful as a family-owned business because we care about our customers. We listen to what the customer and the industry needs, and we accommodate. Our customer base is a very diverse one, so we try to make sure that we're covering the whole automotive platform. And when I say that, there's different segments of the automotive, and one of those is OEM. That's an original equipment manufacturer. And then the other side is the aftermarket, and that is usually putting some sort of larger fuel tank on there so that it gives you that flexibility and range to go outside of the boundaries. Go camping where you want to go. Stay out of the $5 a gallon gas stations.
We know that all our product that we put out there, it's going to be out on the highway, and so safety is our main concern.
We perform drop tests, we do crash testing, third-party crash testing. We've done pressure cycling, we pressure test every one of our tanks. So every single tank gets pressure tested at least 2 times, typically 3 times, to make sure that it does not leak leaving our facility.
The future is always something that I look at. And you know, when I sit here and we talk about strategies and we look at our customer base, we look at our industry, we look at our economy, I'm really excited for what comes in front of us and how we've placed ourselves into a premier manufacturer and a leader in the industry. And as we grow and as we pick up new business and new ventures and new innovations, we want to continue down that path and never lose sight of who we are and what we do.